Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important and often overlooked. The connection between the foods we eat and our mental well-being. Just like our bodies, our minds need proper nourishment to function at their best. So let's explore the top 10 foods that can help promote good mental health. Fatty fish. Starting off strong with fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to reduced rates of depression and anxiety. Omega-3s play a crucial role in brain health, supporting the communication between brain cells and reducing inflammation. Leafy green vegetables. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Packed with folate, these greens are essential for producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a key role in regulating mood. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress. They have also been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Nuts and seeds. Snack smart with nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are great sources of magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. These nutrients are associated with reduced anxiety and improved mood. Whole grains. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice help stabilize blood sugar levels. This, in turn, prevents energy crashes and mood swings, promoting a more balanced mental state. Greek yogurt. Probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt support gut health, and there's a strong gut-brain connection. A healthy gut can contribute to better mood regulation and even decrease symptoms of depression. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate in moderation can be great for your mood. It contains compounds like flavonoids that boost blood flow to the brain and release endorphins. Those feel-good hormones. Lean proteins. Foods like lean meats, tofu, and legumes provide amino acids that are the building blocks of neurotransmitters. Including these in your diet helps maintain a balanced and stable mood. Turmeric. This vibrant spice contains an active compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests it could play a role in preventing and managing conditions like depression and anxiety. Water. Last but definitely not least, let's not forget the importance of hydration. Dehydration can lead to poor concentration, mood fluctuations, and overall cognitive decline. So drink up for a clear and focused mind. And there you have it, folks. My top 10 foods for supporting good mental health. Remember, a well-rounded diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Combining these foods with regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management techniques will lead to a happier and healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on wellness and self-care. As always, take care of your body and mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.